Right now, you probably have $100 sitting somewhere, in your wallet, in your checking account, maybe in your pocket, and it feels like nothing. It feels like it can't change anything. But what if that single $100, repeated every month, could quietly turn into something that changes your entire life? Most people never find out, not because they can't, because they wait. They wait until they earn more. They wait until the market feels safe. They wait until they figure out investing. And while they wait, the most powerful force in finance keeps working, just not for them. That force is compound interest. Warren Buffett once called it the eighth wonder of the world. Not because it's complicated, because it's relentless. Here's what actually happens when you invest $100 every single month. At a historical average market return of around 10% per year, which is what the S&P 500 has delivered over the last century, your $100 a month grows into something most people can't believe when they first see it. In 10 years, you've put in $12,000 of your own money, but your account doesn't say $12,000. It says closer to $20,000. That extra $8,000 came from nothing. No extra work, no extra income, just time and compounding doing what they do. But here's where it gets interesting. Keep going. In 20 years, you've invested $24,000. Your account, nearly $76,000. You didn't earn that extra $52,000. The market earned it for you. Your money made money, and that money made more money. In 30 years, you've put in $36,000. Your account, nearly $227,000. In 40 years, if you start today, your $36,000 becomes over $637,000 from just $100 a month. Why does almost nobody do this? Because the results are invisible at first. In year one, your account barely moves. In year two, still slow. The human brain is wired to quit things that don't show immediate results. That's why most people try investing for 6 months, see a small number, and stop. But the math works in reverse. Half of your total wealth at the end of 30 years gets created in the final 10 years. Not the beginning, the end. Compounding starts slow. Then it explodes. This is what J.L. Collins described in The Simple Path to Wealth. The money doesn't care about your mood, your fear, or the news headlines. It just keeps compounding as long as you keep showing up. The question isn't whether you can afford $100 a month. The question is whether you can afford to keep spending it on things that disappear overnight, while your future self gets nothing. You started reading this thinking $100 couldn't change anything. But it's not the $100 that changes everything. It's the decision to start and never stop.